Hello, my dear friends, my dear folks, and my dear well wishers. I hope you are doing well and thriving in every aspect of your life because cultivating a meaningful and fulfilling life is demand of today's highly demanding materialistic world. And once again, you are welcome on my this platform with yet another thought provoking video. In this video, I am going to share a key insightful and enlightening concept with you, which I drew from the book Sapiens, the book authored by Yuval Noah Harari. And this concept is mainly rooted in Buddhist teaching that is suffering arises from craving. All our suffering originates from our craving. We have to understand that and we have to relate this concept with our day to day life. And when you will relate this concept with our day to day life, you will feel this is really works at ground level. And this is the reality, not just reality, this is harsh reality of our life. Suffering arises from craving. Suffering arises from craving means craving to accumulate more wealth, craving to accumulate validation, craving to accumulating self-esteem, craving to accumulating social respect, and so on. And so on because it is an endless process. Our craving is endless. That's why suffering arises from craving. There is a two things. I can bifurcate our suffering, our craving in two things. If you're craving in right direction, it can pave the way for better future. The craving is good for and craving is acceptable in our real life. But if the craving is creating obstacles, creating hindrance in our life, this is not acceptable in our real life and this is not applicable in our life. It is my personal views and because it is a subjective matter. And craving, we have to understand that craving, what is craving? Craving to accumulate everything more and more in our life. If you have 10, you want 100. If you have 100, you want 1000. If you have 1000, you want crore, millions, and so on. I'll also again repeat in this is an endless and perennial problem. One question frequently linger in mind: how do we overcome from this situation? How do we overcome from our craving? My simple and the simple answer is there is not a particular answer and not a particular solution for this human perennial dilemma. This is a perennial human dilemma. When I'm talking about perennial, it is a endless process. And where we are living, we are increasing a perpetual consumption over simplicity. Perpetual consumption means endless consumption in our life, and it is not possible in materialistic world to satisfy our need. Be a contentment person, be a content and achieve contentment, achieve serenity in our life, achieve equanimity in our life. So we have to accept that, harsh reality. It is not exist in real world. We can't overcome from our craving because it is a perennial human dilemma, and the more we will get, your craving will increase more and more and more. And this concept is very key insightful me, and I deeply resonate with this concept. And now I would like to wrap up my words. I hope you will find this concept key insightful, key, and you will relate this to your day-to-day life. And it is a very, we can say, observe. You can observe in our real life how you can feel, what you feel. This is important. Now again, suffering arises from craving is never ending process. It is an endless process. It is a perennial human dilemma. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for upcoming enriching videos. Thank you.